I don't know. This is my warm-up. The weight is not joke, but okay. Like this. This is my favorite. And then you can do something for the glute like this. And glutes works here a lot, honestly. Like this.
Okay, can you
Yep. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. Don't say this anyone because I am like cleaner here. But I like training.
It's like a hobby.
Yeah, hobby. My girls is my hobby. Girls, I will take. Bye. I'm there, okay? Amazing. Alright, guys. How much is that?
Like it's heavy, brother. It's a lot.
just heavy. I got you. Can I try
What?
the bar? Yeah.
Cannot. This is impossible.
If it's possible, just one set, please.
Bro, but that's not there.
That's deadlift.